The concept of soul retrieval is a very, very old concept, stretching back to the dawn of humanity. Soul retrieval has been a tradition in indigenous cultures throughout the globe, and it's finally being taken seriously again as a powerful, viable means for healing, because it actually works. It's been working for eons. So it does work. Quantum physics explains the principle of conservation of energy, that nothing is created nor destroyed. Instead, everything simply takes a different form. And lots of people have had massive, massive breakthroughs in their healing journeys after soul retrieval. And it even extends to people looking younger after a soul retrieval. It's quite fascinating. But I would like to caution you. I would like to caution you to be a little bit careful, because when the soul essence returns, we are returning power. Yeah? And power needs to be held in kindness and care. So I want you to be responsible, to take responsibility for your own healing process, and get ready to reconnect to your original blueprint, to go back to the womb of creation. The soul retrieval is a bit different, as it uses the sacred geometry steps to get you back to the original blueprint of creation, where you can reconnect with creation, where you can blend your intention for you to know yourself with Creator's intention for you to know yourselves. Why is soul retrieval important? Well, oftentimes we experience trauma in our life, and when we do, parts of our beings, parts of the soul, they flee from the body, or they hide in an effort to protect. Yeah, and this is called soul loss. Sometimes there's depression, there's anxiety, or dysfunctional relationship, or a sense of separation, and definitely a sense of feeling stuck, a sense of inability to move forward. These are very often symptoms of soul loss. Well, not all the soul, but parts of the soul. Trauma can be familial, can be intergenerational. It can come from injury, from assault, from physical or emotional abuse, from a car collision, from a death of a loved one, divorce, war, a lot of different reasons. And sometimes trauma can even extend back to the womb or to infancy, and it may even stem from not having our needs properly met as new humans. So I invite you to enjoy, assume responsibility for your healing. I am available to you. You'll have instructions on how to reach me for questions. I am available to you, but most definitely I am looking forward to hear your feedback of your experience of soul retrieval. And please give yourself time for all of this power to reintegrate in all of your molecules, and enjoy your new power, but do tend this new power with kindness and care and lots of joy. Yeah. I look forward to hearing from you.